Welcome to Mount Pigingan. I am Daryl at ito ang bakasyon ni Juan. We're now going sa Mount Pigingan and it's 1,300 meter above sea level and it's a major hike. So let's see gaano kaganda ang Mount Pigingan.
Just move so slow. I want to decide now. The sooner that I get to find out, the better.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Mount Pigingan and mga 5 to 6 hours away bago makarating ng campsite, and makikita natin dito yung Agno River.
No, I don't even know how to feel about it. Feel about it. How to feel about it. No, I don't even.
Nandito na kami sa simula ng mountain at 3 hours bago makarating kami sa summit, at yung trail dito is sa simula hindi masyadong mahirap, pero dahil sa 2 hours na kami naglalakad, sobrang nakakapagod.
Longing back to the days that we shared. Remember how we felt, and your touch was like there was nobody there, like you loved nobody else. Yeah, I wish I could turn the time back. I miss it more than anything right now.
Malapit na kami going dun sa campsite, and mga 1 hour na lang is mararating na namin yung campsite, and after that is mga 45 minutes to 1 hour yung summit ng Mount Pigingan.
The sooner that I get to find out, the better I can get by. But I don't even know how to feel about it. Feel about it. How to feel about it. No, I don't even know how to feel about it. Feel about it.
Nag-overnight kami dito, and makikita natin dito yung mga mountain range and nagagandahang view dito sa Mount Pigingan. And actually nandito pa lang ako sa campsite, pero worth it na yung view, and sobrang perfect, as in panalo yung pagod na pinunta namin dito. And I hope na mabisita nyo tong lugar na to dito sa Itogon, Benguet, and I think this is really worth it. And if ihabol mo lang is picture at relax, this is panalo. And yeah, later akitin natin yung Mount Pigingan. This is the summit lang pala, the campsite, and the Mount Pigingan is there. So mamaya is titingnan natin gaano kaganda yung Mount Pigingan. I highly recommend din pala the tour organizer ng event na to, si Mac. And I love the hipon, I love the salmon, and yeah, our dinner kahapon is really worth it. So we're going sa Mount Pigingan. So I'm going sa Mount Pigingan, and let us see gaano ba kaganda yung Mount Pigingan dito sa Itogon, Benguet. And as you can see, there are a lot of pine trees here.
Cause I don't even know my name right now. I don't know how to feel about this. It all just moves so slow. I want to decide now. The sooner that I get.
So nandito na tayo ngayon sa summit ng Mount Pigingan, at ating pupuntahan yung pinakang summit na yon. So gaano ba kaganda yung lugar na yon, at anong makikita natin on top, at pwede ba na puntahan nyo. So let us see gaano kaganda itong Mount elevation ni Juan. At nandito tayo ngayon sa summit ng Mount Pigingan, kung saan meron ito 1,328 meter above sea level. And yung jump off dito ay sa barangay Dalupirip. And as you can see, makikita mo rin yung overlooking view ng Itogon, Benguet. And this is really perfect na puntahan dito sa Dalupirip. And I hope everyone na mabisita nyo itong lugar na to. And I invite everyone na puntahan nyo itong perfect na place dito sa Itogon, Benguet. And I am Daryl. And thank you for watching.
Get to find out the